Right now I'm going to share my screen so I can show you the whole process from A through Z, from me scraping the leads, from me importing it, and then from me sending those DMs as well. So I'm going to first share my screen right here, and then also. So the first step is you're going to download Simple Scraper. It's a Google extension where it'll help you out. So you put extension right here. Click on this, add to Chrome. And then one thing that you guys should always know is that, let's say if you guys install an extension on a specific profile. So right now it's on AliKhanHairLaunchInc.com. So now let's say if I go on my different profile for Ali, and then when I click on that, it's not going to be there. So if you're going to use it on all profiles, then make sure you need to download it on all of them. But if you're just going to use it only for one profile, just keep it on that one. So once you downloaded that, so then, or the next step is you type this kind of code. So it says site semicolon www.instagram.com hair salon New York. So once you search that, like, you'll literally get all the Instagrams for that profile. And I would recommend it to do on Chrome than Bing, so I can show how it looks. So like when you go on google.com, now when you do it here, it's better. So it's better if you put it in Google, and then you guys could see all the people that has hair salon, and they're probably located in New York as well. This is like SEO hacking in a way. So then after, when you guys get that, then you want to click on the extension. So you want to click scrape this website. Once you click scrape this website, you want to click add a property. So first you want to scroll down all the way, right? You're going to keep scrolling, right? So you want to make sure you get all the usernames. Click more results. Keep going down. Make sure you click X. Click more results. Okay. Click more results. More results. So these are like tons of leads here, tons of leads. Keep going. Okay, right here. So the page ends here. Now the next step is you want to get this, right? So the way how you're going to get this, you want to press shift and boom. You have 264 items selected. And then click check. You have 264. Click view results right here. Then you click download CSV. Click on blank sheet. Click file, open, computer, upload, browse, documents, data. So you just wait until this is downloaded. Okay, now everything is here. Okay, once you have everything imported, then what you want to do is you want to clean it. Now there's two ways where you could go from this. Now my favorite way is you just copy everything and you go to this website. It's called textcleaner.net. You want to paste it right here, and now when you scroll up, everything is here. So there's two things what you guys want to do is you want to remove like these bullet points. You want to first come here, so you click remove punctuation, all this. You want to just make sure everything is cleaned. Okay, remove all causes, this. And then you want to come here, copy the bullet point right here, and just leave this blank because you don't want nothing there, and then you click clean. Boom. Once you have everything here, you want to copy this again. Go back here. You just want to make sure how many we had. We had around 264. And you want to click paste. Yeah, so none of them have the bullet points. So now you guys could actually just copy this, for example. You go on Instagram. Go on Instagram.com, and then right here you just paste it, and then right here you send them a message right here. Simple. So rather you searching here, coming here, and then searching each name up, you could just go do the whole process and copy each one. And honestly, I like it this way just because you can personalize it rather sending it in bulk, which is also good because, like I said, volume negates luck. So you're putting more volume, but when it's personalized, your chances of conversion is higher just because of the personalization. Yeah, so this is it and how you guys get all these usernames. And you could search these by different industries, different states, and pretty much all that. Like this is just 264 just in New York. Imagine you do 50 states. Imagine you're in a roofing business. So you could pull out so much data just off this little trick here. And if you guys like this video, as always, share it to another friend, another business owner that could find this video valuable and they could implement this in their process as well to getting more leads. And then as always, subscribe, like, comment, and peace out.